just landed, just got picked up by our driver to take us to our villa, I guess we're staying in.
It's a room.
It's a room in a villa, I guess.
We're not that fancy.
I don't know. But we're in Bali, and I'm excited to be here. I'm really happy to be here. I can't wait to go sit on a beach. Wow, this is awesome, and I'm excited to be here. Can't wait to explore.
Oh, that looks like...
Look at this. Checked in to our lobby, which is actually like kind of a block away from actually where we're staying. We're kind of isolated on our own, which is kind of nice. It's a nice place.
Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm super pumped, but we asked the front desk lady if there's anything to do around here, and she goes, well, not really. You have to take a bike or do a tour. So we're gonna be in the city for 3 days at this moment, and then try to head out and see some other cool things and try to ride a bike at some point. And yeah, but it's getting dark, so I'll talk to you guys when we get back to the room. All right. But holy crap, look at this room. Look at it. It's crazy. Look at it.
Look at it.
Like, the ceilings are huge. Look at this bed. Got a nice little area right here. Rachel's getting her stuff around. There's a nice little desk. Piece of art. We got a cabinet right here. What's in the cabinet? Nothing. It's for us to put stuff in.
Sorry.
Now we got a bathroom. Bathroom's very basic. Get out of here, mosquito. Bathroom's basic. There's a toilet. It's a wet bath. Nice sink, though. And a nice mirror. But let's keep that shut and keep the light off. Just so no bugs come in. But this is really cool. We got a front little lawn. There's this like big side windows with plants. And I'm super pumped. And the best thing about this is, if you watch Rachel's video, because she probably has it up before I do, is that this only cost us $10 a night, which is crazy. I don't even want to know how much this would cost other places, but this place is beautiful. I'm so happy. It's only $10 a night, which is still within our budget, which I'm all for when stuff is in my budget. Stuff is in our budget. So we're gonna just relax here and chill out and make a game plan. Maybe do some work. But alright guys, bye. Welcome to Bali, guys. So we just Googled beaches because we wanted to go to one, and we found this one. There's like a resort we entered through. It cost us $10, or not $10, it cost us $10,000 for the both of us to get to this beach. We're just kind of hanging out, checking out the water. You can't swim here, and the waves can tell you exactly why. But this is beautiful. And renting a motorbike here. Very easy to rent a motorbike here in Bali. But where we are, in the big city where you fly into, traffic is crazy. So if you're going to stay there for a day or two like we did, just think about that and prepare yourself for that. Because I was like, oh, I've drove in the Philippines before, I've drove in Thailand, yeah, it's no problems. I'll be fine. I get here and it's completely different. It's crazier, it feels like, than either of those two places, which is kind of odd, but it's true. But we're just gonna go hang out here, so enjoy the beach, because I'm going to. So we're just chilling out, enjoying the beach, I'm getting out of the sun for a little bit. Rachel's gonna stay in the sun for a little bit. But yeah, we found this like nice little rock wall where I can hide from the sun a little bit because, you know, pigment deficiencies. So we're just gonna enjoy this. So enjoy the beach. This beach is called Soka Beach, and it's a resort. I bet you there's a way to get to the beach that's not on the resort, but it's the first thing you come across when you're coming from Denpasar. When you're coming from Denpasar, this is the first place you come across, and you turn in here. There's a couple of places to get some food, like drinks or whatnot, and then you can just pay to get in. It was actually 73 cents US for both of us to come here. And I wonder what that is over there, that landmass. I don't know what that is. But we're here, and this is beautiful. We're gonna drink this beer and then head to go get dumplings, because dumplings are so good. Look at this. Hey guys, just hopping in here. I forgot to film an outro for this vlog, so I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like my content, please like it, please share it, please subscribe to my channel. That helps me out so much when you guys do that, and it makes me feel so good. And yeah, just stay continued, because I'm gonna keep putting these out every Monday and Friday. And I just wanted to say again, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.
That, and I think it was like that trying to get started in my body as like, and I was also on antibiotics, also got 4 vaccines also, so it's probably still kind of like, I mean, I think it's working, but I mean, it's in there, so it should be